repairing a mouse. Actually this is my customer's mouse and it's on complaint, so we will repair this button. Okay, so we need something like these screwdrivers and don't need other things.
Hey, this is my mouse.
What happened to
This mouse is not working very well.
Why? What did you do this?
My mouse is Logitech. It's very expensive.
Okay, so it's not
Yeah, I get it to you to repair this mouse.
Don't you worry. Look at this. I will remove the case.
Will you repair it?
Yes, I will
Okay.
remove the case and repair the whole mechanism of this button.
Okay, let's see.
Look at this. This is the actually,
what is this?
This is the button mechanism. Actually, it clicked the two plates.
Okay.
Look at this. This
What are you doing? What are you doing?
This brass plate is actually the main clicking mechanism. When we press it,
look at it. It's fall.
It's punch like a click, and the circuit.
How much you are charging me with this repairing?
I charge $100.
Oh my God! This mouse is $20.
You will just give me $1.
Okay.
Don't you worry about the money. We only.
It's a carbon, I think.
Yeah, the carbon is the very massive pollution in the world. Look at this. Now I am. I can't understand. What are you talking about?
Sam, what are you doing?
Look,
what is this?
I remove the carbon and I am putting all the things together again. And did you see this?
You have a laptop?
Yeah, I have a laptop.
Okay.
Did you see the plate is the tricky part is that we put all the thing and
you did it upside down.
Yes.
Very clever.
That's the reason.
That's why you are charging $100.
Yes, this is the very technical work. Even NASA scientists can't do this.
Let's see how it works.
Not check the result.
Wow. Oh my God.
Did you see?
God, you did it.
That? Oh, look at this. It's not releasing.
Guys, subscribe this man channel.
During the click, press.
Guys, subscribe his channel.
Yes, please subscribe
my
channel.
Take it $100 from me.
Thank you very much.